There you go. It's amazing how much that little bit right here
I know it.
gives you what you need for the system.
And I went straight from AGM to Lithium. It was such a big difference.
Use discount code JacobViral at SkyHigh, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's going on, man? Can I get your name and what's in here, man?
Yeah, my name is Jhony, and I have 4 Skar EVL 15s on a Wolfram 9K at half ohm.
Nice.
I've only got a single Yinlong 35 amp hour bank.
Okay.
270 CES all.
Okay.
So it does 55.
Okay. And you got a solid wood roof all the way back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, plenty of bracing. There's no Deadner, nothing in my doors.
Okay.
But that's still work in progress.
Yes, sir. Awesome. And do you know cubic space or port tuning or anything?
Before bracing and port and subs, it's like 22, and after everything, it's like 14.
Okay.
So, yeah, 2 to 29.
29, okay.
It peaks around 36, okay. But it really loves the lows.
Yes, sir. All right. Nice. Yeah, I love to hear it, man. It looks good.
You get a shot of the amp after it's
I'll do it. I'll see it after. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I had just 2 15s on the back seat last year. So.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
And next year, I plan on going to 4 XV3 Sundays.
Yes, sir. Okay.
And another 9K.
And you're going to fit that right here?
Yeah, I'm going to put them all on the same wall.
Wow.
It's triple wall. So.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Awesome. Thank you very much. Can I see the amp?
Yeah, no problem.
Very nice. What was this wired to?
Half ohm.
Half ohm, okay. And then do you have anything on the other side of the box?
No, it's just,
okay.
Just wood.
And then you have the battery underneath behind the seat? Okay. There you go. It's amazing how much that little bit right here
I know it.
gives you what you need for the system.
And I went straight from AGM to Lithium. It was such a big difference.
Thank you very much, man. Nice to meet you again.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as SkyHigh, Xplicit, Drop-In Hertz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.